Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of Discover Cars. So let me take you to their website, which is discovercars.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Discover Cars is a trusted online car rental comparison website that helps travelers find the best rental deals worldwide. The site allows users to compare prices from top international and local rental companies, ensuring transparency and savings. With 24 by 7 support and flexible booking options, Discover Cars makes renting a car easy, affordable, and hassle-free. So what you're waiting for? If you are in need of renting a car, you can come to the website and try finding a car rental for you. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Discover Cars. Possible? Of course it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Discover Cars and you have to start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And as usual, when you bring sales to them, you will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? No restrictions found. Regardless of your country, you can apply for their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Discover Cars to receive commission? No restriction there as well. So long as Discover Cars is available to the consumer of the country you have in mind, you can bring sales to them and you could receive commission. And what about joining the affiliate program of Discover Cars? For that, let me take you to the website called travelpayouts.com. Now, what is travel payouts and what does that have to do with Discover Cars? So, Travel Payouts is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, specializes in travel related brands. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network as an affiliate. So in our case, you must create an affiliate account with Travel Payouts in order for you to apply to the affiliate program of Discover Cars. Now, how do you create an affiliate account with them? Simply click on Get Started button from the top right hand side. It will take you to the sign up page. Over here, you can enter your details, click on Create Account. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when creating an account with any affiliate marketing networks out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Travel Payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account with Travel Payouts. Now, once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, click on Login. It will take you to the login page. Over here, enter your credential, followed by click on Sign In. Then it will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. You can apply for their affiliate program, get the approval. But the focus of this video is simply Discover Cars. To find their affiliate program, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar and you have to click on Programs. Then it will take you to this page. Over here, you can search for Discover and then it will load the Discover Cars tile for you. You can click on details. It will then take you to the affiliate program page of Discover Cars on Travel Payouts. Once here, you can see the reward rate that is 23 to 54%. And to have more details about this commission rate, you can scroll down until you see this reward rate. So 54% of the revenue that Discover Cars receive from car rental companies and 23% of the revenue that Discover Cars receive from full coverage service. That means whatever revenue you will generate for them, you will either get 54% or 23% depending on whether the revenue is getting generated from car rental companies or full coverage services. And then if you scroll up, you can see more details like there are program details you can read for better understanding. There's a payout process. These things I would advise you to read thoroughly for understanding. And then if you scroll down, you can see rewarded platforms on the desktop version of the website, on the mobile version of the website in apps. So that means if you're bringing audience or traffic from any of these mediums to Discover Cars, you could still get the commission, assuming the sales happen. Then there are some features as well, the languages of the website. The target countries are worldwide. We talked about it. So regardless of the country of the consumers, you can still promote Discover Cars to them, assuming those consumers have access to Discover Cars. Then allowed brand promotion methods and channel. So they are fine with an affiliate having a content website, video platform, messaging platform, app, newsletter. They're fine with cashback service as well. But in any case, they are not fine with social media. Travel businesses, they're fine with website, video platform, messaging platform, app, newsletter. You just have to ensure that you do not promote them on your social media pages. Then they are not fine with personal booking kind of affiliates or coupon or promo codes affiliates or media buying affiliates. They also do not allow paid search. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to their affiliate program. For that, you can simply click on connect to program. It will ask you to select your project. Now, project is your online presence that you must have given while doing the sign up for travel payouts. So you can simply click on request to connect for the respective project type. And when you do that, it will show you this screen. Just have to ensure that the content of your online presence is original travel related content, is at least 2 months old, regularly updated, and contain up to date information, allows you to organically integrate affiliate links to your content, and does not contain offensive content, calls for illegal action, viruses, or negative content. And if you feel like you are all good with these things, simply click on all good. What this will do, it will send an application to the Discover Cars team. They will see whether you're good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval, which could take up to 2 business days. So you can click on all good, back to program, and then you will be taken back to the affiliate program page of Discover Cars. Now, if you want to reach out to them for any question you might have in mind about the affiliate program, you can simply click on ask a question and initiate a message with them. All right, so you waited for a couple of days and you have been approved. How would you know? You'll be notified by an email. Once you have received the email and you have been approved, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again. Once here, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar. This time, click on connected. It will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see all your approved brands, including Discover Cars. So once you have been approved, then what? Then you're gonna start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link or create tracking link. Now, how do you create your tracking link? For that, you can come to the home page once again and look at the top right hand side. There's an option called create link. You can click on create link, and then from the project, you can select your online presence. From program, you can select Discover Cars, but since we are yet to be reviewed and to be approved by Discover Cars, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select the SM. Then you can mention a link that you want to convert your tracking link. For example, you want to create a tracking link for the homepage or Discover Car. You can copy the homepage URL, come to the section once again, and with the link section, you can paste that link and it will create the tracking link for you, which you would be able to see it here. But since I'm trying to create the tracking link of Discover Cars using the SM program, that's why I'm getting this error. Otherwise, it should work for you, assuming you are selecting Discover Cars as your program and link you're mentioning accordingly. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing links. How do you do that? For that, you have to come to the affiliate program page of Discover Cars once again. This time, click on links. Over here, you would be able to see different kind of assets available. In other words, links that you would be able to explore and you can use to promote Discover Cars to your audience, to your traffic. You can also click on widget, which will basically ask you to go to tools, which is also a section in here. When you go there, you will be able to see the widget. You can click on widgets here. And from here, you can select the brand as Discover Car, and it will allow you to see the widget available. You see, so this is the widget. Assuming you have been approved by Discover Cars, you would be able to integrate the tracking link for this widget on your website. So this way people would come to your website. They can use this widget, basically a search creative, which will help them to search for different options available so that they can directly find the results and book on Discover Cars. So this is how you can either create your tracking link or use the existing ones. The next question arises, where can you promote Discover Cars? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Discover Cars, you can promote them either on the homepage, category page, event page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can choose it accordingly. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog post about Discover Cars, and in the blog post itself, you can mention a tracking link of yours. So this way, when people would read the blog post, and if they want to explore Discover Cars, they'll click on the link, they'll explore, and if they end up renting any car, you will end up getting commission. The third way, which I feel like is more suited here and going to be helpful to you, is the travel and tourism website as an affiliate. Let's say if you have such a kind of website available to you, you might want to create a standalone section for rent a car. That means if anyone would come to your website, they will click on the rent a car option and they would be able to see Discover Cars as an option there. So this way, people would come to your website, and these people would usually be interested in travel related websites anyways, correct? So they'll click on that rent a car option commission, and they will explore, they will find discover cars. When they will click on it, it will take them to the website, and if they rent a car, you get a commission. You just have to ensure that you're integrating your links properly on your website for this to work. Alright, so these are some ways that you can promote discover cars. The next question arises, where would you see your performance? So let's say you started bringing sales to discover cars. There should be a place where you can see your performance, correct? For that, you can come to the affiliate program page of discover cars once again, and you can click on performance. Over here, you would be able to see your performance. You can also click on summary to see the summary of your performance. You can also click on bookings to see the booking done by your customers. Apart from it, you can also look at the left hand side menu bar and click on reports, and from here go to performance. Over here you would be able to see the performance. You can update filters and see the result in here, and if you click on bookings, you would be able to see booking done by customers. So it doesn't matter if you check it on the affiliate information page of discover cars, or you can check it from the reporting section. And what about the commission? So all the accumulated commission you would be able to see on the top left hand side. And if you want to see the breakdown of this commission, you can look at the left hand side menu bar once again. This time click on finance and go to the balance breakdown. Over here you will be able to see the history of your earnings and bookings. And to receive the payment of your accumulated commission, you can again come to finance from the left hand side menu bar, and this time go to payout method. Over here you have to select the country of your residence. So I'm going to select India for myself. You can also select the country of your residence. You will have multiple options, so depending on your region you can choose which option you like, and there will be a minimum payout. That means travel payouts will only be able to issue commission to you if your accumulated commission exceeds the given minimum payout, and then there's a fee if applicable. You will be able to see it in here. Let's say you want to set up PayPal. You simply click on add and give your PayPal details, and if you want to get the commission via bank account, you can simply click on add against the bank account and give the banking details. So depending on the payment method that you prefer the most, you can click on add and give the information. Once you've updated the payment method, you can expect to receive commission from travel payouts every month, assuming you have enough accumulated commission in your travel payouts account. And to see the history of all these payouts, you can again look at finance and you can go to payouts history. This is a place where you would be able to track all your past payouts. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Discover Cars. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Discover Cars. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.